We're here in Collegetown Center at the west end of the 5th floor of the 6th floor elevator building. I wanted to show you where we are in relation to the apartment that we're going to visit. You can see we've got the trash chute and recycle center for this floor across from us here on the right, and there's a set of stairs on the right as well, and we're going to apartment 512. This is a standard rectangle on the north side of the building, so a north rectangle, apartment 512. As we enter, this kitchen will be on the left, and you can see we've got the refrigerator, there's the dishwasher under the sink, the microwave. You can see our assorted cabinets and drawers, and that electric stove and oven. Here in this number 12 or even number style studio, you can see on the wall across from us here, we have some good extra space that you could put a narrow shelf, a narrow table, or possibly even a shoe rack in here that would add some additional storage for your apartment. The closet is on the left. Let's take a look in there. So we've got a rack, hanging space. So it's a good shaped closet in here for your items. As we go into the apartment, the studios will always have the same items. There will be a dining table and chair, a dresser, a desk and chair, a tall bookshelf, and a regular full-size bed. Let's take a look around behind us into the bathroom. Bathroom's over here on the right. You can see we've got that shower and tub with a sliding door. There is the vanity under the sink that opens for more storage. The toilet, you can see the large mirror, that light over the mirror, and we've got a medicine cabinet on the wall, and we've got a couple racks for towels as well. As we go into the apartment, you can see that the way they have this furniture laid out, there's a lot of space here in the middle. You can move the furniture around wherever you like within the apartment. The furnishings may vary in style, but they will always be the same items. Let's take a look over here out the window. You can see the air conditioner. The window does have mini blinds. It's all the way up so we can see outside. We're on the Dryden Road side or north side of the building. You can see Dryden Road down here. We're on floor 5, so we're pretty high up away from the street. You can see one of those 5-window studios next to us on the right. Those are the windows that stick out. Those apartments do have a little more floor space. Over to our left, we are on one of the studios that is a little further to the west on the building, so we're going to have a little bit more of an open view here. Let's peek over. Let's get that zoomed in. So we've got a little bit more valley view over behind us. That's looking towards the northwest. So we're here in Collegetown Center. This is a regular rectangle studio on the north side of the building. We have this style of apartments on floors 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 here in this building. Oh, there's the heater over there. You can see that. So Collegetown Center, a regular rectangle. We're located at 151 Dryden Road at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and we are just 1 block from campus.